Okay, I'm here at Commonwealth Close. Some OEM Fujitecs. Start with Lift A. It's quite dark. Here comes the elevator. Lock chime or bell. Let's go to 7. Okay, that DODC. Fujitec, the new logo. Or maybe that's the old one. Okay, here's the interior. I'm doing it very slow this time. So, yeah. 7th story. Okay, let's go back down to 1. Okay, loud doors. There you go, one bell. This looks like Dawson's door. Cool. Here we are at 1. First story. Let's call the EM lift. Let's call the EM. Right, okay, time for lift B. EM lift. Let's get the elevator. Here comes the elevator. Let's go up to 10. Beep, beep. Whoosh it up. Yeah. Let's throw the bell. There you go. Udo bell. Okay, here we are at 10. Yeah, the lift motor room of A. Meep, meep. Let's go down to 1. Bruh. EM lift be like, ha. Got any? EM lift, very cool. Oh. Yeah, this lift has no announcements. Here we are at 1. Let's go to block 91. Here we are at block 91. The Fujitec here is still alive. Let's go up to 7. Wash it up. For some reason, I like to say that word now. Man, this lift smells very good. Let's try the bell. Cool bell. 7th story. Let's go back down to 1. Bruh. EMU. Oh wait, I said I want to go to 91, but I went to 93 instead. Dang it. First story. Okay, yeah, let's just go to the other 90 blocks. 1990s. This lift has no replacements yet. Get a cool shot. Here is block 94. It's another Fujitec. Here comes the elevator. Cool. Let's go up to 7. Yeah, all of the lifts here are in good condition, but sadly they're gonna be replaced quite soon, or maybe I don't know. I never see any replacements poster yet, so yeah. Here we are at 7. 7th story. Let's take the other lift. It's got to 10. Going up. Going up. I'm lucky this lift is here. Story 10. Let's go back down to 1. Going down. Misuse of lift. I'm not misusing it. I forgot that 2000 Fujitec bells are very loud. So yeah. Story 1. Let's go to block 92. Here is block 92. Bro, why is it so dark, man? Let's go up to 7. Interior very cool. I don't know these hybrids. 7th story. Let's go back down to 1. Alright. This lift very cool because it used to be a 1993 Fujitec and bro has become a diamond Fujitec. Let's go to block 91. Let's go to 10. Okay, I can't find 91, so here is block 90. Lift A at block 90 will be shut down. Bro, what? 2026? Damn. Bro, take that fast just to replace the lift. Okay. Oh, 10. Down to 1. Never mind. Story 9. Go to block 89. Here we are at block 89 because, yeah. There. Let's go up to 7. Fujitec. Cool interior. No announcements. Let's go back down to 1. Very cool. Bro. Dude, my camera is glitching out. There we go. Dude, are you serious again? Oh my days, it's camera. Let's go go to block 87. Okay, here we are at block 87. Fujitec Lift first. There. Let's go up to 7. This is a bit dark, so the DOTC, everything that is original of this lift. Good thing none of the lifts here are replaced except for block 90 and 82. So yeah, no announcements. Let's go back down to 1. Yeah, this thing has the no urination sensors at the vandalism. Oh, come on, it's of course Tanjong Pagatangkat here. Fast story. Okay. Let's call the EM lift. Okay, let's call the elevator.
Later, see you later.
Yeah, to be later.
Later lah.
Thank you.
Meep, meep. Yay! Very cool. Oh, damn it. Here we are at 10. Storage 10. Let's go back down to 1. Okay, this lift has announcements. Going down. Ah, dang it.
See you, boy.
Let's go to block 86. Here we are at block 86. Let's go up to 10. Vandalism. Here we are at 10. Yeah, no announcements. Let's go back down to 1. Oh my days, my nose, bruh. Here we are at 1. Let's take the other lift. Okay, here's the other lift. Here comes the elevator. Ding! Button not working anymore, but it still works. Clock to 7. The alarm. This is one of the most original Fujitecs, as I can see. Seventh story. Let's go back down to 1. Some bugs in this elevator, I don't know why. First story. Let's go to block 85. Okay, only 85 has one lift replaced. That day. Here comes the elevator. Let's make top 1. Okay, so this is the only block that has the lift replacement. Not bad. Oh, actually it is bad. So far, the EM is gonna be surviving for a bit more longer. Here we are at 1. After this, gonna go to block 84 and the leveling is so damn slow. Let's go to block 84. We are at block 84. Yeah, replacement. Oh damn, the doors are a bit slammed. Yes, you can see those are IFE workers. As you can tell, Chevalier. So I literally hate this company, man. Here we are at 10. Story 10. Let's go back down to 1. Let me just leave like the bounce. Yep, of course. Hanchong Baka. I don't really mind about it, but sad that the lifts are replaced, so yeah. This is gonna go to one of the last blocks, 83, 82, and 81. Here we are at 1. Let's go to block 83. Here we are at block 82. Stop Fujitec. Oh, so damn tired. Let's go to 14. Going up. Later I'll just check for 83 later. So damn tired. Oh, luckily I brought some water, so later I'll drink. Story 14. One last bell. There you go. Let's see. Wait, no doors are closing yet, bro. No, not yet. Okay, let's go 10. Yeah, now you get close. Doors are closing. Doors are closing. Okay, maybe 83 is also gone, but I'm not sure. Oh my god. So 10. Yeah, let's go up to 14. Doors are closing. So I can call the IFE lift, so yeah. It's now in 14. Oh damn. That's nice. Let's go up to 16. Bye Fujitec. Going down. Man, what? That's it. Yeah, I'll update you later. Finally, bro. Going up. Lift. Man, are you serious? Are you serious? Bro, this IFE is so busy. Oh my gosh.
Story 14.
Story 14. Finally, bro. Going up. Yes. Yeah, baby. Yeah, my face is here. I already reviewed it anyways.
Story 16.
Story 16. Let's go back down to 1.
Going down.
Going down. Bro, this lift keep on making sounds, bro. Man, who ain't cool? I've each other there. Finally, bro. Here we have 1.
Story 1.
Story 1. Let's go find the other 83 or 81, I don't know. Okay, here we are at block 83. Let's start with the all-stop lift. Ding ding. Let's go up to 16. Here we are at 16. No announcements. Let's go down to 14. Here we are at 14. That's the other lift, lift B.
Going down.
Let's go down to 1. Going down. Doors are closing. Here we are at 1. Here we are at 1.
Story 1.
Story 1. Let's go to block 81. Oh no, 81, last block. The VIP block. I am at block 81. Start with lift B. Chapter 14. Me. staircase. Bruh. Here we are at 14. Story 14. Yeah, let's just call this see. Here comes the elevator. Please go up to 16. Fujitec. Tech. Here we are at 16. Oh, rooftop, let's go down to 1. Yup, lift machine room. Here we are at 1. Story 1. Story 1. And that's the end of my video. Bye everyone. Actually, this is a lift tour.